contingents being it with chief guest. Razan highlight that we position to take a table only pumpkin zero.
Hello, hello, hello.
Let us welcome today's chief guest by standing from wherever you are. Thank you all. We may be seated. Now we will witness inspection of the parade contingents from today's chief guest, along with SP of Ukhrul and today's parade commander. Permit by the permit zero say, are we here inspection where tamni? Inspection of parade contingents by today's chief guest will be followed by unfurling of national flag accompanied by singing of national anthem. I would like to therefore request each and every one in the ground to rise to your feet as our chief guest unfurl the flag and sing our national anthem. Thank you. Flag Ukhrul Tamili itum psycho and Nadine saying to you psycho little mind salushitally. Left cut lava. Thank you all. We may be seated.
प्लेटूनों के कुछ कलम में मन से गुजरेगा फैसला 20 कदम नंबर 1 प्लेटून आगे स्ट्रेट कंधे बगल सस स्ट्रेट कुछ कलम से दाहिने चलेगा दाहिने मूव
Now we are witnessing march past from 33 contingents today.
A glimpse of the parade commander, Shri Sunil Kumar MPS, son of late Khairapam Nilachandra Singh. He was born on 12 February 1973 and was graduated from Deb College of Arts in the year 1996. He is from Sega Khairapam Laikai, Impal West. He joined the Manipur Police Department on 19 October 1996 as Jametar and was first posted at 1st Indian Reserve Battalion.
We have the ex-serviceman contingent as the first participant contingent. Parade commander for the ex-serviceman is P.S. Shamrehao. Coming up next, we have Manipur Rifles, led by Joseph A. Shadsam. Thank you. That was Manipur Rifles. Thank you. That was Manipur Police, Ukhrul, led by P.S. Roxon. Coming up next, we have VDF Ukhrul, led by Yokshim Mahak. Thank you. That was VDF. Approaching next is NCC Ukhrul Higher Secondary School and Pedigree College combined. Thank you. That was Tarauso Lui Kang for NCC Ukhrul Higher Secondary School and Pedigree. Thank you. That was NCC JNV Rambu, led by Lanting La Chacho.
Right behind them is the JNV Rambu Boys Contingent, led by Saiminlan Baite.
Thank you. That was JNV Rambu Boys, led by Saiminlan Baite. Coming up next is Ukhrul High Secondary School combined, led by Mishak Pileng. That was Ukhrul High Secondary School.
Approaching next is the Ukhrul Higher Secondary School girls, led by Matwimi Kasar.
Thank you. That was Ukhrul High Secondary School girls contingent. Coming up next, we have Model High School, Ukhrul, led by Ino Zakari Chipan. That was Model High School.
Marching right behind Model High School combined contingent is Little Angel English School boys with KTS Jajo as parade commander.
Thank you. That was Little Angels English School boys. This will be followed by the Little Angels English School Girls, led by LV John. Yes, that was Little Angels English School Girls.
Up next, we have Sacred Heart Higher Secondary School Boys contingent with Thotmahai Varam as commander.
Thank you. That was Sacred Heart Higher Secondary School Boys. Thank you. That was Sacred Heart Higher Secondary School Girls, led by Wontri Rumshung. This will be followed by KTL Higher Secondary School Boys, led by Maningmi. That was
KTL Excel Higher Secondary School Boys. Up next, we have KTL Excel Higher Secondary School Girls, led by Pilaton.
That was a KTL Girls.
We have Savio School Boys contingent with Thangbai Zingkai as commander.
Thank you. That was Xavier School Boys. This will be followed by the same school, Xavier School Girls contingent, led by Sonan Tungshan. Thank you. That was Xavier School Girls.
Approaching next is Ukhrul Central School Boys Contingent, led by Yermarin Angkang.
That was Ukhrul Central School Boys. They will be followed by Ukhrul Central School Girls Contingent, led by NC Vashi.
Thank you, Ukhrul Central School. Right behind Ukhrul Central School is Ukhrul Public School Boys Contingent, led by Samting Rondra.
Thank you. That was Ukhrul Public School Boys. Ukhrul Public School Girls, led by that was Ukhrul Public School Girls, led by Yunri Pungchamnao.
Approaching next is Marinmi Memorial School Boys Contingent, with Temyar Kasomosi as commander.
That was Marimi Memorial School Boys. They are followed by Marimi Memorial School Girls Contingent, led by Shimrepi Angkang.
Hey!
Thank you, Maringme Memorial School girls. Up next, we have Scholar BAKSHI School Combined, led by Kalekpam Zimik.
That was Scholars BAKSHI School Combined. Coming up next is St. George School Combined, led by Sochitan Awungshi. Thank you. That was St. Mary's School.
Thank you, St. Mary's School Combined. Approaching next is Sentinel Krishan Academy, led by Cherting Kapai.
Thank you. That was Sentinel Christian Academy. Now we have Medical Department.
That was Medical Department Ukhrul. Right behind them is Anganwadi Workers ICDS Ukhrul Social Welfare Department, led by C. Wanpaila.
Thank you. That was ICDS Social Welfare Ukhrul. We have our last but not the least in the contingent, and they are none other than the 27th Assam Rifles, Somsai Ukhrul. Thank you to all the participating contingents. Now we will hear address from the Chief Guest, Shri Kumar, IAS Deputy Commissioner, Ukhrul District. Now I give the time to our Chief Guest.
Distinguished guests, invitees, Superintendent of Police, ADC, SDOs, district level officials, personnel of security forces, all the marked past contingents, medical department, leaders of various civil society organizations, youth and philanthropic organizations, friends from media, and dear fellow citizens. A very good morning and warm greetings to you all. On this auspicious and joyous occasion of Republic Day of India 2023, I extend my heartiest gratitude and greetings with best wishes to all of you who have been gathered here to be part of today's celebration. Today, Republic Day is being celebrated all over the country, ranging from the national capital to the capital of all the states union territories, district headquarters, and many more. Today, let us remember and recall the supreme sacrifices made by our great freedom fighters and valiant soldiers who showed incomparable courage in their pursuit of the dream of Swaraj, who laid down their lives first for the cause of winning us independence and then for preserving and strengthening the precious gift of freedom. On behalf of everyone present here today, I express my deepest gratitude and pay them homage with highest respect and regards. Let us also spare a moment and a thought for all the visionary leaders who led India on its path to freedom, and then through their collective wisdom compiled an exceptionally brilliant document, the Constitution of India. A constitution where the preamble sums up the guiding principles: democracy, justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity. These are the guiding principles which forms the bedrock on which our republic stands. These are the values that form our collective inheritance. Also, which starts from the unique word, we the people of India. We the people of India. Words which have been guiding beacon and the unifying factor in a journey as a nation. This is a day when we can also cherish our journey as a nation, a journey where everyone has contributed and played important role. Above all, this is a day to cherish our republican values as well. A republic is its people. Citizens do not just make up and preserve a republic, they are its ultimate stakeholders. And I would say, in fact, they are pillars. Each one of us is pillar. The soldiers who defend and guard our republic, the farmers who feeds our republic, the doctors who heals our republic, the teacher who educate our republic, the sanitation workers who make our republic cleaner and hygienic, the mother who nurture our republic, senior citizens who can look back with pride at how far they have brought our republic, the youth in whom lies the energy, hopes, and the future of our republic. To continue this legacy of these great achievements from here, our role is going to be started. So I would request each and everyone that let's come together to take India forward on the path of progress with the spirit of keeping the interest of nation and the society foremost. although we have witnessed a lot of improvement in last 7 decades, where India, once regarded as a nation living in the villages, to a nation of economy and superpower now. But still, we have many hurdles in our paths that we all have to face by joining hands together. If I would speak about our district only, we need to think that what can we do to bring about a positive or incremental changes to our system. How to remove existing impediments for a growth to be equitable and sustained. How to reform our education, skilling, healthcare, and welfare system significantly. Dear friends, as we are aware, the last 3 years have been passed amidst the COVID-19 pandemic, and many people, they have lost their near and dear ones. This worldwide disease, which no one had expected at one point of time, and the economic impact of the pandemic was also disastrous as its health impact. We have seen new variants in different countries, like I would mention about the China, where BF.7 new variant, which has become disastrous. Many people, they have lost their precious life. XBB.1.5 variant in the USA, which is transmissible, immune evasive, and fatal as per scientists' report. The medical science is coping with this invisible enemy of terrible might with remarkable speed. We can take solace from the fact that more lives have been saved than the life lost. However, despite of all the efforts which have been taken from district administration and medical department regarding the vaccination, it is still cause of concern in our district. Taking this as an opportunity, I would appeal to all the citizens of the district to come forward and get vaccinated to safeguard yourself and your dear and loved ones. Now, to fight against this pandemic, in our district, we have a dedicated COVID care ward with separate maternity wards. We have 100 LPM oxygen plants. Apart from this, we are also trying to improve secondary and tertiary care. Immunization is also being focused, and I'm very happy and delighted to share that amongst all the health districts, Ukhrul is the first district where dialysis center has also been made functional. For this, I would congratulate to our medical department. Dear friends, when we talk about the tourism, horticulture, education, agriculture sector in our district, I would say we have a great potential which still needs to be untapped. During the last year only, Shri Lily festival was celebrated after COVID-19 pandemic, and it was quite successful. And the visitors, they were not only from the district, not from the state, but also from other states they had also visited. To continue these achievements and to promote our tourism sectors, educational sector, recently 2 projects, that is Tangkhul Cave and model residential schools under Ukhrul and LM block was inaugurated by the Honorable Union Minister of Home Affairs of India, and later on it was dedicated to the people of Ukhrul by our Honorable Chief Minister Manipur. We know that we have identified Kachai lemon as a one district, one product, but other products are also there, like Serakhong chili, pakia, and other organic fruits and vegetables which are available in our district. That has to be promoted, and for those we need to be vocal for local. We have to formulate a strategy to exploit the untapped potential of agricultural, horticultural sectors so that exports can be promoted, improved, and we can move towards the dream of Atmanirbhar Bharat. As we know that every election marks a new beginning and the renewal of India's hope and optimism, which involves micro to macro level planning to translate the thoughts and theories into visible action. Today, I would sincerely appeal to encourage and motivate to our citizens to come forward and be the part of national building process by ensuring their participation in the biggest festival of our country, which starts from registration and purification of electoral rolls. Recently, as per an amendment in the Representation of the People Act 1950 and 51, new Form 6B has been introduced to collect Aadhaar details of existing electors. That too on voluntary basis, so that all the entries in the electoral rolls can be authenticated and made it absolutely error-free. Under Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Gramin, all the eligible beneficiaries are being given benefit and they are having now their own houses. Under PM Kisan, recently re-verification was started and completed so that all the genuine beneficiaries, they can get their benefit in their respective account, that too through DBT only. I'm also today happy to share with the people of Ukhrul that as per the Honorable Supreme Court direction and the hard work of our 2 SDOs, SDO Ukhrul and LM block, now these 2 remaining blocks in our district, Ukhrul and LM, has also been declared as EFMS. It means now all the job card holders, they will receive their wages in their respective account only, that too through DBT mode only. It means there would be no leakages. Under the Pradhan Mantri Employment Generation Program, interested entrepreneurs, they can also avail the benefit and they can start their own businesses. Under the Beti Padhao, Beti Padhao, all the girl childs are being felicitated and empowered from their birth itself. Various social protection programs and schemes are being implemented under the supervision, monitoring of central government and state government as well. Keeping the priority of public grievances and their redressal atop, this year, as per vision and direction of our Honorable Chief Minister, District Byamgi Numit Hill Leaders Day has been started and being held at every third Friday of the month, so that anyone can visit to us and they can share their grievances, which can be redressed at the spot only. We know that a happy and equal opportunity nation built up by a happy and equal opportunity family and society only. A family or society where every citizens have an equal right and opportunity and access to all the benefits. For this, government is trying to build up different infrastructures, like when we speak about the financial infrastructures at every district headquarters, and in second phase at every sub-divisional headquarters, bank branches are being opened. And since it's a digital era, this is a age of a digital era, so various mobile apps and portals are also there through which people can transact, they can receive money within a second. All the bank branches, they have also been encouraged and motivated to make them, all the visitors, aware about these facilities, so that they should not be the part of any queue. Government is also trying to build up physical infrastructure, social infrastructure, legal infrastructure, health infrastructure, connectivity infrastructure. But what is more crucial and important for the society and for the citizen, to use and nurture these infrastructure not only for the benefit of themselves, but also for the upcoming generation, so that sustainable development can be ensured. Because government has a leading role, but not the sole role. So let us use the government's programs and projects and infrastructure to the further our own efforts. Let us also make a sense of ownership, collective responsibility as our motivation. The magical natural forest is providing huge ecosystem service to the district, but is at stake. Is at stake because it's being inefficiently managed, with local communities having little say in how they are run. Indiscriminate trees cutting, forest clearance would be catastrophic for water supply in the non-monsoon seasons, and to a large degree, wildlife migration too. Since the incumbents wants to destroy it and the challenger protect it, hence this year, as per vision of our Honorable Chief Minister, that is War on Drugs 2.0, our district administration, in coordination with the police administration under the leadership of our SP, 6th MR, Forest Department has destroyed illicit poppy crops, and also under the different line departments, viable alternative livelihoods as the cost-effective solution was provided, but only to those farmers who have promised to done away with these illegal practices. I would say that learning the art of living in tune with the nature, it requires effort. Our father of nation has said once you establish a relationship with rivers and mountains, birds and trees, nature reveals its secrets to you. He also said that nature has enough to satisfy everyone's needs, but not to everybody did. Also, there is a question of intergenerational equity. It means how to strike a balance between the rights of present and future generation. Therefore, to ensure the sustainable development, we have to save the forest and utilize the resources available judiciously. Today, I would also mention that as an officer, public servant, we must lead by example. Discipline needs to be maintained in work, and to continue and to ensure good governance, we have to be receptive, responsive, broad-minded, emotionally intelligent, transparent, accountable, effective, and efficient. Also, this is a time for public servant to have empathy rather than sympathy towards the genuine beneficiaries. Of course, sympathy and empathy are both acts of feeling, but with sympathy, you feel for a person. You are sorry for them or pity, but you don't precisely understand what they are feeling. However, in empathy to an extent, you are placing yourself in that person's place, have a good sense of what he feels and understand his feelings to a degree. Hence today, work culture in every office needs to be changed or developed accordingly. Since work culture is related to people's attitude and behavior, and it takes time to change, because we know that behavioral change is a slow process. However, the values of public service, it demands continuous commitment from public servant. In such case, continuous efforts needs to be made. Forcefully and hasty decisions should be avoided, and incremental changes must be strived for. Because public servant has an obligation to protect and promote ideals enshrined in the Constitution, to uphold the rule of law, dispense administrative justice, and ensure administrative facilitation. Now, I would extend my greetings especially to the members of the armed forces who have guarded our freedom valiantly and gladly making supreme sacrifices whenever it requires. I would also place my deep sense of appreciation and gratitude to all the March past contingents from the District Police, 6th MR, ex-servicemen, and from all the different government and private schools as well. My special thanks goes to our Assam Rifle Band for making this celebration as a grand. All the district level officers and their staffs who worked very hard for the departments and interns towards the larger interests of the public and society. Last but not the least, let's also not forget the long journey to freedom, the struggles of our forefathers to make the country as a sovereign state. Today, while celebrating this Republic Day, I can't stop my mind from imagining a powerful, prosperous, and peaceful India of 2047. Especially along with the visible contribution of our Ukhrul district in that achievement as a part of our nation. 2020, 2047, when we will be celebrating 100 years of our independence. Therefore, despite the limitations and the restriction, I am sure that with the positive thoughts, approach, energy, confidence, and entrepreneurship, our district, our nation will continue to march ahead on the path of happiness, progress, and prosperity, and will definitely secure its rightful place befitting its potential in the global community. So, before I conclude my speech, I once again wish you all a happy Republic Day, and one more time I would extend my deepest gratitude and appreciation to all the students, those who have performed very well. Thank you very much. Jai Hind and Jai Bharat.
Thank you. Thank you.
Stop! Stop!
आज्ञा प्रदान की जाए।
Just, hello. Just,
Great! Kandhe Bagal! Yes!
Hosna. Hosna.
Hello. Bye, Selega! Bye! Move! Great! China say! Stay! Stop!
we are sending of the tricolor flag and balloons. Thank you so much to our today's chief guest for his informative and inspirational speech. Calling the attention of medical department. Calling the attention of medical department. Kindly report at the announcing booth. Medical department with representative pinda nurses pinda hili report kasami logu ji remind kasane. Thank you. Thank you to our students participating contingents on this special occasion of Republic Day, BAKSHI Ground, Ukhrul. Now we have cultural presentation. I would just like to read out the sequence of the participants. At number 1, Assam Rifles Public School, Somsai, will be at number 1, after which they will be followed by Ningam John Horam, a special number. At number 3, JNV Ramvu, Patriotic Song. Number 4, Yursem Huileng, Class 6, Model High School, Patriotic Song. Number 5, Trimirin and group, Jumba dance. Number 6, Model High School, choreography. Number 7, All Manipur Gorkha Student Union Ukhrul unit. And 27th Assam Rifles Band Party display. Now we are giving this time to Assam Rifles Public School, Somsai, for patriotic song and dance presentation. I would like to request Ningam John, Horam, to get ready.
और कौन था?
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Hello.
Black Scorpio NL02C and Greta MNO1AW6579. Hang the gari number drivers being jina no with parking lot with jina các quý thuyền béo lộ gì cái Saturday Scorpio Black Way NLO2C Jana Greta MNO1 AW6579 driver khani na cái thao của nông đêm no with parking lot jina shift cái sam béo lộ.
Contingents pingli ka chithei sali ka jiva the to me refreshment hi backstage hiling ran mi hai the layer representative in charge ping rakwi mi aurono refreshment che
Assam Rifles Public School Somsai will showcase a dance, after which Ningam Chon Horam will take a time. We can't ask for more. School children of Assam Rifles Public School Somsai, thank you so much. I would just like to remind we have a history of sending our representative from the Ukhrul Army Department to Miss India and Bollywood. Reminding you of Susmita Sen, her father was once posted in Ukhrul, Manipur. Thank you so much to Assam Rifles Public School Somsai. Thank you so much. Now I would like to give the time to Ningam Chon Horam. You may take your time, please. She will be followed by Yusem Huileng Class 6 Model High School.
Check. The lyrics of the song goes like this. There is a candle to lighten the darkness. Trust yourself to take your dreams, for there's a hero in everybody's heart. There's an hour
Ngamjam Horam for thrilling us with your euphonious voice. Now we have Yursem Huileng, student from Model High School, for a patriotic song. It would be followed by ZNB Ramvu patriotic song.
Thank you. Thank you, Yursem Huileng Class 6 Model High School, for your beautiful and melodious voice. Now I would like to request the JNB Ramvu representative for a presentation. Yes, these are JNB Ramvu for a patriotic song. This will be followed by Three Mirin and group, a Jumba dance. Thank you, JNV Rambo, for your patriotic song presentation. Now, Trimirin and group will take the time for Jumba dance. Trimirin and group, take your time, please. This will be followed by Model High School choreography presentation.
That was fantabulous Zumba dance by Trimirin and group, Royal Gymnasium Ukhrul. Thank you so much, Trimirin and group. Now we'd like to give the time to Model High School Ukhrul for choreography.
This is Model High School for a choreography. They will be followed by All Manipur Gorkha Student Union Ukhrul unit. From All Manipur Gorkha Student Union Ukhrul unit, please take your time. Thereafter, Assam Rifles Band Party will display their show. Wow, what a performance. Thank you to All Manipur Gorkha Student Union Ukhrul unit. Now we have, just before Assam Rifles Band Party, we have Longpi Dance Troupe. I would like to request Longpi Dance Troupe to take the ground. Longpi Dance Troupe on the ground. Meanwhile, Kachigata Katam Nauping will only boom, wristwatch. Shiman Gai Lega announcing Butili report Samilo, Hili report Rasamilo Ji, boom, Tatung Gai Lega, ground only, boom Tatung Gai Lega, Katam Nauping report Kasamilo. To save time, before Longpi Dance Troupe, I would like to request our Assam Rifles Band Party to take the ground and present your performance. Band party, please. razandakle public ni chai headman kachikta ring and I we headman it we panini razandakle announcing usually report ka samelo hang we jawbe kachikta we headman aju function ni rang room ni dale ka report ka samelo ji announcing putli not only request ka saksa nahi ka posa dale. Thank you. Ang Richard okay Headman aung langdam election complete panila kachika aju panili lang rumi dele ka acknowledge sang ai china natum the report ka samilo natum apam ni ra laga itum na maphara ra thre atam na maklai chulung le itum na maphara ra thu da report ka samilo acknowledge sang ai kachika khwi aung ana panili ra zamit le ka report ka samilo please. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you to the 27th SM Rifles Band Party. Now I would like to request our last participant, that is Longpi Dance Troupe. Good today. Calling the attention of AMR representative from AMR contingent Gorkha All Manipur Gorkha Unit Dance Troupe, Longpi Dance Troupe, to kindly come and report at the announcing booth. Hi, representative singer announcing put us the report of you. 6th MR contingent, Gorkha unit contingent, Longpi cultural troop contingent representative. Ning Shishiere Longpi, we dance to BAKSHI. Thank you for the participating teams. Now we have list of appreciation certificates to be given away by the district administration. I would like to request our today's chief guest to kindly come forward and hand over the certificates to the individuals here. At number 1, Shri Jungnenmang Kipkin, ADM ADC, Ukhrul. Number 2, KH Sunil Singh, MPS SDPO. Number 3, H Ahung Jao Singh, MPS SDPO Chingai. Number 4, Ganesh Kashung, E PWD. Dr. Raisami Raikan, Medical Superintendent. Sunita Jacho, Assistant Inspector of School, ZDO. Jalia Shinglai, SDC Revenue Department. And just before these, we would like to hand over gifts to headman of Langdang village and Kangkui. Langdang we aunga na, Kangkui we aunga na. Ishwi district administration na give acknowledge sangaye chiaina. Nanina kasok mila. Ringpai natum dai kita nitrili Razan kami wang Kanau Kanali Itumida Tangaru Liseki. Langtang we had many Tangkhul we had many. Thank you. Now I would like to request
just for a kind of an information to all the district level officials and the public present here. Last time, like before Independence Day, it was the first time when we had started to select few district level officials based on their performance only. Because previously we were just awarding to the staff of the DLOs. So from last Independence Day, we had started and we have selected this time also based on the performance of RADC and DLOs to SDPOs. So I would appeal all the DLOs.
Thank you. Now I would like to request Sir Chunglenman Kitkin, ADC Ukhrul. I would just like to mention that Sir Chunglenman Kitkin, ADM, has been awarded as the best ROs during the last 2022 election process. Next, KH Sunil Singh, MPS SDPO, please. He will be followed by H. Ahung Jao Singh, MPS SDPO Chingai, please. This is KH Sunil Singh, MPS SDPO. He was also the parade commander of today's function. Thank you. Now I would like to request H. Ahung Jao Singh, MPS SDPO Chingai, please. Next, Garnish Gashum, E. PWD. Dr. Raisamik Raikhan, Medical Superintendent. Sunita Chacho Chaldia. Garnish, please. Garnish Gashum. This is Dr. Raisamik Raikhan, Medical Superintendent. Next, we have Shri Garnish Gashum, E. PWD. This is Garnish Gashum. Srimati Sunita Jacho, Assistant Inspector of School, ZTO Department. Next, we have Srimati Chadia Shinglai, SDC Revenue Department. She will be here with us only for 1 or 2 months, after which she will take rest as take retirement. Thank you all. Now, I would like to request, thank you sir. Now I would like to request DFO, Shri Amit Kaikar, who is in Forest Department as probation, to kindly come forward and hand out the certificates. Lukhu Warngam Anal, Assistant Engineer, dear. Isaias Walling, Accountant, dear. Mohammed Abdul Zafar, Cashier, dear. Mathau Yosha Sham Sundar, Rinjipam Zinkai, YS Frisomi, Berla Chacho, Iping Zimik, Vareni Jokitar, Apello, Hobijam Shamananda Singh. This is Luko Warmamanal, Assistant Engineer, DRDA. Thank you. Now, Isaias Warling, Accountant, DRDA Department. Next, Mohammed Abdul Zafar, Cashier, DRDA. Mohammed Abdul Zafar, Cashier. He'll be followed by Shamsundar Pal, MTS Malay Disease Department. This is Shamsundar Pal, MTS Malay Disease Department. Matau Yoya Sham, Cooperative Inspector. This is Matau Yoya Sham. Rin Chui Pam Zinkai, Cooperative Inspector. Rin Chui Pam Zinkai. Next, Frisomi, YS Frisomi, AI, ADC. Brella Chacho, Iping Zimik, V. Vremi, Q. Samiro. This is Brella. Iping Simic, V. Vremi Jogiter. Thank you, sir. This is V. Vremi Jogiter. Thank you, sir. We appreciate it. Now I would like SP sir to come out and hand over the certificates to the remaining recipients. Apello Macresu, Primary Teacher, JSME Higher Secondary School, under ADC. Haubijam Shamananda Singh, Lecturer Mathematics, JSME. Karina Onshi Catherine. Chipemication, Computer Operator Election, Akoicham Dorendro Meeting District Rollout Manager, IRAD, NIC, Tom Repi Hungre, IT Staff, One Stop Center. Now this is Apelo, Macresu. This is Haubijam Shamananda, Lecturer Mathematics, under ZU, posted JSME Higher Secondary School. Now can we have Apelo Macresu? Now Catherine. Karuna Onshi Catherine. Graduate teacher, Model High School. Now Chipemi Keishin, Computer Operator Election Department. Akoijam Dorendro Mitei, District Rollout Manager, IRAD, NIC. Tom Repi Hungre, Ricky Santo. Tom Repi Hungre, IT Staff, One Stop Center. Today is Yungrepan Security. This is Tom Repi Hungre, IT Staff, One Stop Center. is Yungripan, Security One-Stop Center. M. Ming Tingla, Supervisor, ICDS, Hormila Wushimunga, LDC ICDS. This is AS Yungripan, Security One-Stop Center. Now let's have Ming Tingla, M. Ming Tingla, Supervisor. Hormila Wushimunga. This is M. Ming Tingla, Supervisor, ICDS. Hormila Wushamunga, LDC. Z. Yang Raipam Horam, Computer Operator, SDO, BDO Ukhrul. Z. Yang Raipam Horam, Computer Operator. This is Z. Yang Raipam Horam, Computer Operator, SDO, BDO Ukhrul. Thank you, sir. Thank you, we appreciate. Now I would like to request ADM sir to come forward and hand over the list of these individuals. Sochibem Kokyer, Barefoot Technician, SDO, Vareso, Field Assistant, Dajudin Khan, Pungyo, Mayahor, Maso, LW, Computer Operator, CMO, Forest, Police, 6MR. Now let's have Z. Yang Raipam Horam, Computer Operator, SDO, PDO, Ukhrul. Sochipem Kokyer, Barefoot Technician. Sochipem. Wauda Kai Jika Tap with the Shok Middle. M. Vareso, Field Assistant, Horticulture. This is M. Vareso, Field Assistant, Horticulture and Soil Conservation Department. Sochipem Kokyer, Mohammed Dajuddin Khan, UDC, Horticulture. Hongyo Mayahor, Technician Assistant, SDO, BDO. This is Mohammed Dajuddin Khan, UDC. Mayahor, Hongyo. Maso, LW, Computer Operator. Chingai, SDO. Maso Malana. Now CMO, representative from the CMO department. Forest Department, Police Department, 6MR Department. Kindly come forward. CMO Department. This is Forest Department. CMO. This is Forest Department. Police Department, and 6th MR Department. Six MR Department. Thank you, sir. We appreciate. Now, this is the time for harvest to all the participating contingents, students. Our result will come right. Natum the Yawhaja Ari Hadu Wishne, China. I would like to request today's chief guest in handing over the prizes to the students. Look at him. Katam Nawingji, Parade Commanders being the Mangai Shopping Zero, Mazangavai to save time, I would like to request the students commanding contingents and flag bearers to kindly come and make you fall in the ground. Arwi Adam save Savai Katam Nawingji, Hilim Mangai Shopping.
Katam now we commanded Pingji, one by one shock miaulo at the Mazang Vaisa Saitumna. So we man low now Ping commanded Pingji, contingent Ping commanded Pingji. Commander and flag barrier Pingji, Jamaman Miaulo, Crown Bialumbi at the Mazang Vaisa Saitumna.
Angator March partially participates by contingents being we commanders, flag bearers being now. Fallen some yolo, tap waiter, atom tap waiter, save sang by. Let them fall in. I would like to remind the active force that is the NCC, MR Police, VDF to just come forward. Yeah.
First, we'd like to announce the consolation prizes. We have NCC Ukhrul Higher Secondary School and Pettigrew College. Please come forward to receive the consolation prizes. Next, NCC ZNB Rambu, please get ready. NCC Rambu, please come forward. Next, Ukhrul Higher Secondary School combined. Please get ready. After Ukhrul Higher Secondary School, Model High School Ukhrul. Atamba Shiman vai itum the Model High School which is the Shokmaman Mise. After Model High School, Little Angel English School boys, please come forward. After Little Angel English School boys, Little Angel English School girls, please get ready, come forward. Little Angel English School boys. Please, Sacred Heart Higher Secondary School girls for the consolation prize. Next, KTL Excel Higher Secondary School, please get ready. After Sacred Heart Higher Secondary School girls, I request KTL Excel Higher Secondary School to come forward. Next, KTL Excel Higher Secondary School girls, please come forward. After KTL Excel Higher Secondary Boys. KTL Excel Higher Secondary School girls, please come forward. Okay, you can take it. Next, Sabio School Boys. Atamajang Paisa says Sabio School Boys, Yonglo, Yongmamanlo. Sabio School Girls, Yongshoklo. Next, Ukhrul Central School Boys. Ukhrul Central School Boys. Next, Ukhrul Central School Girls. Ukhrul Central School Girls. And after Ukhrul Central School Girls, Ukhrul Public School Boys. Please come forward. Next, Ukhrul Public School Girls, please get ready. Ukhrul Public School Girls, please come forward. After this, Maringmi Memorial School Boys. Maringmi Memorial School Boys. Shokmamanse. Maringmi Memorial School Boys. Next, Milo, next. We'll skip this one, yeah. I think. Yeah. Next, Maringmi Memorial School Girls. Not here. Next. Scholar Paksami School Combined. Scholar Paksami School Combined, please come forward to receive the consolation certificate and prize. Next. St. George School Combined, please come forward. St. George School Combined. Okay, next. Yeah. St. Mary's School Combined. St. Mary's School Combined. Okay, they are here. Yeah, combined. Next, Medical Department. Medical Department. Next, Anganwadi Workers ICDS Ukhrul Social Welfare Department. Please come forward. Next, ex-servicemen, please get ready. serviceman.
No envelope are given. Police.
Next, Manipur Police, Ukhrul District. Manipur Police, Ukhrul District. Please come forward. After Manipur Police, Manipur Rifles, Ukhrul District. Next, VDF Ukhrul. VDF Ukhrul. Now, I would like to take the moment to pronounce the March Past School contingents for Republic Day 2023. Okay, the third prize for today's March Past School contingents goes to two contingents. It's a tie. First, Janvi Rambu Boys and Sacred Heart Higher Secondary School Boys. Sacred Heart Higher Secondary School, third position. Okay, the second position goes to Sentinel Christian Academy. Congratulations. Okay, the first portion of March Past School contingent goes to Ukhrul Higher Secondary School girls. Congratulations. The prizes include a trophy, a certificate, and a cash. I would like to request Parade Commander to come forward and receive a token of love and appreciation for our chief guest, from our chief guest. Next, 3 pilot driver, please get ready. Representative of pilot driver, please come forward. Next, flag staff. Next, rostrum. Next, rostrum. Next, band party, 35th Assam Rifles. Please get ready after rostrum. Thirty-fifth Assam Rifle Band Party. Next, Primary School Assam Rifles for patriotic song. Representative from Primary School Assam Rifles. Next, Golka Dance Troupe. Please get ready. Yeah, this is Gorkha Dance Troupe. Next, Primary School Assam Rifles. Okay, Assam Rifle Public School. Next, representative from ZNV Rambu for patriotic song. Next, Yursem Huileng from Model High School for patriotic song. Next, Ningam John Horam. Ningam John Horam for special number. Next, Trimirin and Group, Zumba Dance Group. Trimirin and Group. Yonglo Thak Mai Se. Model High School choreography, please get ready. Next, the best gate for today's Republic Days goes to Medical Department. I request our CMO to kindly come forward and receive a cast. Next, cultural troupe from Longpi, please get ready. Congratulations, medical department. Cultural dance troupe, Longpi. Thank you, sir.
Kadam Nau Pingli, Ning Shishi Ji na Tumle Hang Hai ne.
They lost lunch, we lunch arranged this is Bangla to game.
Kadam Nau Pingli Hang Hai ne je Ning Shishi re na Tumle participation mathala ga na sai mathala ga na presentation ni sere ka katong kana winner masabai tu da. Katong kana winner hi mong sabai tu da. Achi kumili judges ping na yang laga hi bingili acha sau sai ga ji ta laga mi gai ne masam ga pang winner I khayu ma yu masam bang tu da team le da klebing ning ga teu masa sai zingu mala levi Kanawa Republic Independence Day levi mathala ga na saser kai ne ga ji na tumli hang ngai ga sa ne. Now we have a friendly, fierce football match between DLOs of DC team versus SP and MR combined. Arui football friendly match later DC 11 versus SP MR combined 11 with friendly football match later. Chiena Yarwi Saiko Renala he witnessed Kasamilu Ji Natumli request Kapo Satale Ring Pala Kijne Itumid. I would like to read out the team for DC 11.